What I value about the Kodály Master's program at CSU is the fact that I can go back to my classroom and immediately implement so many of the things that I'm learning.
The Colorado Kodály Institute is a 2-week summer program where music educators from all over the nation come together and they experience the teachings and the philosophy of the music educator Zoltan Kodály. During these 2 weeks, students are immersed in choral conducting, in choir, in musicianship, in pedagogy, and in folk song analysis. Many of our students are full-time music educators, and this is a wonderful opportunity for them to come together with other music educators and really learn how they can make their teaching in their music classroom the most joyful and the most proficient that it can be.
Zoltan Kodály's approach to children and music education is important and influential because he believed that everyone had the ability to sing because we all have a natural voice.
During these 2 weeks, the students are getting direct feedback from their instructors who are specialized in the subjects that they are teaching. There is one-on-one time for feedback, and there's also a lot of peer review during these 2 weeks of intense learning and music teaching.
Being a part of the Kodály Master's program here at CSU has really helped me to become a more confident and better educator. My students get a lot more joy out of our learning.
There are 2 pathways available through the Colorado Kodály Institute. The first is a strict certification program where students will come for 3 consecutive summers doing their level 1, then their level 2, then their level 3 coursework, and they come away with certification in Kodály music, pedagogy, and philosophy. The second route is a Master's of Music and Music Education degree program. This is for students who are seeking a master's degree, and it also includes the National Kodály certification. Colorado Kodály Institute is OAK endorsed, OAK being the Organization of American Kodály Educators, and that means that CSU and CKI have gone through a rigorous process and have been evaluated and peer-reviewed by other master Kodály educators in the field. When you come away with your Colorado Kodály Institute certificate, it means that you are nationally recognized as an expert in Kodály-inspired music teaching.
I knew that starting a master's program here at CSU would be rewarding both professionally and personally. I also knew that it would help me become a leader and an advocate for music education.